The control panel has 3 event logs which are time and date stamped. These can be accessed from the Engineer menu. Enter the Engineer code. Use the scroll keys to select Engineer Utilities. Press Yes. Use the scroll keys to select View Event Log. Press Yes. The event log records all events that occur on the system. The alarm log only records alarm events that occur on the system. The mandatory log records events defined as mandatory by EN 50131. When viewing the event log, there are 9 hotkeys available. These allow certain events to be found more easily without the need for searching. The scroll keys can be used to scroll through the events in the log.